Don't talk to her. Just.
I'm gonna kill him. Stop. Because I don't want him anymore.
Before we get into it, the standard reminder. I am not a practicing attorney and nothing in this video is legal advice. If you need legal guidance, please speak to a qualified professional in your jurisdiction. June 21st, 2022. Officers respond to a domestic violence call. The man outside has a bite mark on his arm. What led to that bite mark is where this case gets complicated. And it gets complicated fast.
What happened? I'm leaving. That's all there is to it. What happened prior? She's overdosing herself on insulin because... What happened prior to that? We were trying to watch a movie and she wouldn't watch the movie. She was talking to her friend on her phone. And then what happened? We got into a little bit of an argument and she ran into the bathroom. And then what happened? She was starting to herself before that, my ad. What about after that? I pushed down the door and tried to take the insulin from her and she grabbed my area and then she bit me. Does it matter? I don't want to work it out with her. She doesn't like me. She doesn't like being around me. She's on her phone all the time. She's trying to get me in jail. I need to get my stuff out of here. What's your last name? Oh, hell's yeah, very close. That's all I gotta say. What's your last name? I will press charges against every one of you cops for the last time you guys were out here, and you guys didn't. You guys just took me to the rehab shit. I didn't take you there. I took you to the hospital because you stabbed yourself. Yeah. What was the time before that? I don't know. So, you said you pushed the door down because she was... I didn't put my hands on her at all. No, hun. So you said you pushed the door down because she was trying to... So you pushed it down and she grabbed you by the testicles and then bit you? Where'd she bite you at? You guys live together, right? Yeah. I try not to control her, but I don't like her. She don't like me. Why don't we just break her at all? I did not. Officer, I did not put my hands on her for her life. I did not put my hands on her. She bit you and grabbed you by the nuts? No, right? She grabbed me by the nuts and then bit me. Okay. Well, he said they got me. She goes to the bathroom, so she's done. She left the bathroom, so he pushes the door down, and then she goes back out and grabs him by the nuts and bites him on. I'll be right back. Will you want to stay behind my hands behind my back and go to jail? No. Who said that? Stop saying that stuff. We never told you that. So, jail. Are you able to fill a statement out for us of what happened? I don't want to. I want to just leave. That's fine. Well, so... Can we get some pictures? Can we get some pictures of you? I want the restraining order on her.
Wait, that's a court function. That's not a...
Listen, you're not going to get a restraining order unless you cooperate with us and write statements out and so on and so forth. Okay, I'll grab you a statement. Just start writing that out, and then we'll take pictures of your arm.
He said, you guys continue.
What's her name?
What's her name? Matt. Matt, what's her? Matt. Lacey. What's her name?
Are you able to put them in the room
Misty.
real quick? Why? Can you put them in the room so we can step down and talk to you?
No, hold her.
Well, just go and put her in the room.
No, because...
He pushed the bathroom door down because she was overdosing on insulin inside. That is the detail that reframes everything before an arrest has even been discussed. This did not start with a fight about a movie. It started with a woman locking herself in a bathroom with insulin, and the bite happened when he tried to take it from her. The officers heard all of that, and they still have to make an arrest because under mandatory domestic violence statutes, visible injury plus identified suspect equals no discretion at the scene. The defense argument lives in court, not in that hallway.
Misty is her name.
We're going to explain this to you, and you just need to be cooperative, okay? Because if you're not cooperative, there's injuries on him, you bit him, I understand. When it comes, listen, Misty, when it comes to domestic violence, we don't have a choice.
Why do I have to go? Why? You don't care!
Stop hitting me.
No, please don't touch me!
We do care. Okay,
Well, then I want to go to the hospital.
Okay, well,
I'm depressed.
They can help you out of jail.
No, because I'm not going to jail.
Would you like to put some pants on?
No, I'm done. And I shouldn't have to go.
Okay. Well, tonight you have to go.
Why? Well, then will you call my mom and talk to her real quick?
We will talk to her afterwards.
No, will you talk to her now? Because I have to work in the morning.
Stop pulling your hair.
No, I don't care anymore.
get your pants. You need to stand up.
I don't want him
Where's
here.
your pants at?
I think.
It's his house. He's gonna come get his stuff and he's gonna leave. Okay.
Well then, why
You just
can't
stand
I?
up.
Why do I have
Stand
to
up.
go?
Stand up.
Why do I have to go?
Because
You're
it's domestic
jerking my
violence.
arm.
Yes,
up.
because
That's not fair. I didn't do anything. I was defending myself.
Stand up.
I was defending myself.
You need to stand up.
I was defending myself. I'm not allowed to defend
You
myself.
have your day in court.
No,
to explain that.
I have to work in the morning. Bite him, Benny. Bite him.
Dude, don't even play the game.
You're hurting me.
You need
I want to
stop.
go to the hospital.
Okay, we'll go to the hospital. Stand up.
No, you won't. Can I
Stand
please
up.
answer my phone?
No.
It's my mom.
You're not cooperating with us. We're not going
Why
to do
can't
something.
I answer my phone? You're hurting me. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. You're hurting me.
You need to stand up. We're not going to play this on.
No, you're hurting me.
Well, you hurt yourself.
I don't really care about myself anymore. Can I just... Okay, I will. Hold on.
I'm getting upset.
We got body
You
cam.
beat me! You're hurting my leg! Can you just let go of it, please? Why?
You got spit hooks in the car or no?
No, I'm not gonna spit on you.
Well, you better not. 'Cause that's...
Well, you already tried, so
I'm not going to. Please don't put it on me. Can I have
Sit up.
pants? Can I have
We're gonna
pants?
try and get a shirt on you here.
Why can't I have pants?
We'll try.
'Cause I'm being nice and you guys, you're
I'm not
hurting
being
me. You're hurting
You're
me.
far from nice.
You're hurting me. It's hurting me.
we'll get them fixed as soon as we get you up and adjusted.
No, I'm in pain. I want to go to the hospital. You broke my ankle. I want to go to the hospital.
Sit her up, see if we can grab some.
I want to go to the hospital. Hold on. I want to stand up. Stood up.
Do you have a pair of pants out here?
I don't know because I can't see. Can I take my phone?
Hi, puppy.
Sure, you take it down to the...
Yeah, we'll take it with
you.
you.
You can make your phone call down there and...
I don't have my mom's number. Can you please get it for me?
Missy, we'll get it for you.
I'm in pain.
Are these yours or his?
Yeah, those are mine. It's fine.
We will get her number out of your phone for you, okay?
Why am I not going to the hospital? That's bullshit.
Hang on.
I'm in pain.
Jail's got nurses and stuff.
Yeah, and he's gonna take all my meds. I didn't do anything. It hurts.
All right, stand up.
Fix it.
We're gonna fix it once you.
Can I have
Calm down.
my shoes, please? Sure. Can I put those in the fridge so she don't get a hold of them, please?
You can have these sandals right here.
That's what I meant. I'm in pain.
Okay, we'll look at it in just a second.
Bigger over there.
No,
Just leave it.
I don't want him in my house.
Well, it's his house too, so.
Well, I'm getting a restraining order.
That's fine.
I'm hurting and I need to go to work
Let's
tomorrow.
walk outside and we'll check your cuffs.
That's the same thing. She showed all this. After she said she's going to kill herself with it.
I am. I'm
You'll be
in
alright,
pain
okay?
because I didn't do anything wrong.
We're
Why
gonna
are you
make sure
doing
you
this to me?
She says she does not care about herself anymore, not loudly, not as a threat, just as a fact, dropped in the middle of asking to stand up and put pants on. That line does not get a response. The process keeps moving, and that is not cruelty. That is the gap between what the criminal justice system is built to handle and what is actually standing in front of it. She keeps asking for the hospital. The officers keep saying jail has nurses. Both things are technically true. They are not the same thing, and everyone in that room knows it.
We're going to make sure you get the help you need.
Don't talk to her. Just
I'm gonna
Stop.
because I don't want him anymore.
You want to pull
Stop.
your car up to here?
just stop
We're gonna get
talking.
close to you. It's fine. Tell her just
You want me to take her?
Yeah, pull your car up to here.
I hope you shut up.
easiest if you turn and
I
sit
need
in
to-
first. Let him
Let's check
adjust
your
these
cuffs
first.
real quick.
Hold on, my pants are gonna fall.
Yep, we're gonna check your cuffs to make sure they're not too tight.
That one's
This
got
isn't
plenty of room.
fair. Like I did nothing wrong.
That one's good. All right, just stop. Just stop. There's no point in yelling.
Now I get to go to jail because you.
Okay.
I'm gonna sit in.
Now you're being warned. You're warned for disorderly conduct. Keep yelling, you're gonna go to sleep.
I'm trying to help you, okay?
Ow! I know you.
If you kind of slide,
It hurts.
if you
It
slide,
hurts.
if you are you gonna listen to me to give you advice or not?
No.
Slide your butt this way.
This.
No, the other way, but
Ow.
yeah, like just twist your back this way so your handcuffs are off the thing.
He needs to go too. And now he's going to yell at my neighbors. Put him in jail. Can I have my phone? Can I have my phone so I can call my mom? Please. Will you please answer me?
What's that?
Can you get my phone so you can get my...
Get it right now.
No, you don't want me. I want to go to the hospital. Please. Why can't I go to the hospital? Can I get a restraining order?
You'll have to ask the court for that. That's not something we can do.
Why can't I be released? So now I get in trouble for no reason. Can I apologize to you guys, please?
I accept your apology. That doesn't change anything.
Why? I don't have anything else on my record. Ow, no, that don't hurt. That hurts really bad. He's gonna hurt my dog. I don't trust him. Can you please? I'm not allowed to defend myself. I'm in pain. He needs to be out by the time I get out. So will you get my mom's number out of my phone?
They will give you an opportunity to call whoever you want.
I don't know her number.
We will get the phone number out of the phone for you.
Okay, that's fine. You guys are so unfair. I just don't want to be with him anymore.
You have the ability to deny.
How can I when it's my house?
Get an eviction. Get evicted. And seeing it.
Well, if I get a restraining order, he can't be there, right?
Yes, you could go get a restraining order.
That's what I want. Thank you. My pants are falling off. Thank you.
I'll walk back to this gray door back here.
The gray one?
Yep, that one right there.
She apologizes sincerely. The officer accepts it, and then she asks why she still has to go. That exchange is the whole case in 10 seconds. An apology does not undo the legal requirement. It just makes the moment more human. And this moment is very human. A woman who tried to hurt herself, bit someone who was trying to stop her, and is now being taken to jail while the man she does not want to be with anymore stays in the house they share. She asks about the restraining order 3 times. Each time she is told that is a question for the court. She is trying to use the only tool she can see to change what happens when she gets out. That is not chaos. That is someone planning ahead despite everything falling apart around her. The last thing she says before that door closes is, "I just do not want to be with him anymore." Not angry, not performing, just tired. Lacey was charged with domestic violence and resisting arrest. He remained at the property. The bite and the groin grab are real. The arrest is legally required under mandatory domestic violence statutes, regardless of the circumstances that preceded them. That is how the law is written, and there are good reasons it is written that way. Context does not always reach the scene in time. But the context here is a woman with a documented history of self-harm who was in active crisis before a single officer arrived. The insulin, the prior stabbing, the "I do not care about myself anymore." Those do not disappear because she is in handcuffs. If you or someone you know is in crisis, the 988 Suicide and Crisis Lifeline is available around the clock. Call or text 988, free and confidential. Nothing in this video is legal advice. I am not a practicing attorney. Every situation is different, and qualified legal guidance requires a qualified lawyer. See you on the next one.